To provide feedback on Trust Wallet Face ID login, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. Next, navigate to the Trust Wallet app and attempt to log in using Face ID. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions for improvement, take note of the specific steps you took and the outcome. Then, open the Trust Wallet app and go to the Settings menu, usually denoted by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Scroll down to the Support or Help section and select the option to contact support or provide feedback. In your feedback, clearly describe the issue you experienced or the suggestion you have, including the steps you took and the expected outcome. Be as detailed as possible, including any error messages you received. If you are providing a suggestion, explain how the feature could be improved and what benefits it would bring to the user experience. Trust Wallet's development team will review your feedback and use it to improve the app and its features. Remember to also check the Trust Wallet website and social media channels for updates and announcements about new features and improvements. By providing feedback on the Face ID login feature, you are helping to shape the future of the Trust Wallet app and improve the experience for all users. When providing feedback, keep in mind that it should be constructive and respectful. Avoid including sensitive information such as your wallet address or private keys. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively provide feedback on the Trust Wallet Face ID login feature and contribute to the development of a more secure and user-friendly app.